Wondering about the ins and outs of getting car insurance for a new car in Texas, especially when you have a loan? The Lone Star State has specific requirements for coverage that you need to be aware of. First, let's address the minimum liability requirements in Texas. They begin at $30,000 for bodily injury per person, $60,000 per accident, and $25,000 for property damage. However, don't be fooled into believing that this bare minimum will suffice. To ensure adequate protection, consider coverage up to $100,000 for bodily injury per person, $300,000 per accident, and $100,000 for property damage. Another crucial aspect to consider is coverage for uninsured motorists. Texas, being a border state, unfortunately, has a high percentage of uninsured drivers. Without this coverage, if an uninsured driver hits you, you could be left footing the bill for your medical expenses and vehicle damage. If you're buying a new car with a loan, banks will mandate comprehensive and collision coverage for the duration of your loan. This coverage will need to be in place before you can close the deal. Therefore, an often overlooked but important step for new car buyers is to shop for insurance ahead of time. This gives you a clear idea not only of your car payment, but also of your insurance payment. Now, let's address the million-dollar question. How can you save on your car insurance? Well, there are several ways. 1. Maintain a driving record. 2. Qualify for discounts. 3. Shop around for quotes. A handy tool for this is shoptexasinsurance.com. 4. Participate in your insurance company's telematics system. 5. If you've had a ticket, take a defensive driving class and submit it to the Texas DPS for a point reduction on your license. 6. Improve your personal credit score. 7. Consider getting a gap insurance, which can cover the difference between the actual cash value of your vehicle and the current outstanding balance on your loan or lease if your vehicle is totaled. 8. Bundle your auto insurance with renters or homeowners insurance to potentially save 20%. 9. Pay in full. Most carriers offer a discount of 10 to 15% when the policy is paid up front in full. 10. If you're retired and drive less than 10,000 miles a year, ask your insurance provider about a pay-per-mile option. But the number one way to save money is by using a quote comparison company that can give you access to multiple options for your car insurance. Give the quote comparison engine a whirl at shoptexasinsurance.com. In summary, getting car insurance for a new car in Texas involves understanding the state's coverage requirements, considering additional coverage for adequate protection, including gap insurance, and shopping around for the best rates. Don't forget to factor in the cost of insurance when budgeting for a new car, especially when taking out a loan. And remember, the minimum liability coverage required by law might not be enough to fully protect you. So consider higher coverage limits, uninsured motorist coverage, and gap insurance. Lastly, there are numerous ways to save on your car insurance, from maintaining a clean driving record to bundling your policies. Happy driving, Texas.